when you get your coat to this stage where you've sewn the shoulder seams and the side seams, you try it on your dog. So you can make any adjustments here if it doesn't fit properly. I might cut just a tiny bit off the back of the neck there, but otherwise it's a pretty good fit and it's comfortable for her. If you can get your fingers in there and it feels right now. I'll break for a minute. You look up for Mum, darling. Now you see under here, this is pulling on her shoulders here. It's pulling on her legs. So a good idea is to just put a little mark on there where the leg joins the body, so that you know to cut that much off. We'll probably go right up to here, taper it down at the back there. And under there as well. Bella, let me draw some things on you. So I'm thinking that will be pulled in a bit from the ribbing. So I'm thinking that there is the only adjustment we'll probably make for Bella. Maybe we'll, let's see if we'll cut a little bit off the end, Bella. I think we'll leave that just as it is. And you can go now, sweetheart. You've been such a good girl. Hey, Mummy's got something for you. Here you go. Oh, you're such a good girl for me. There you go, sweetheart. So I was going to take a little piece off the back. Just open it up at the shoulder seams. Just cut a little bit away. You know we need this off here, so just follow the line up there like that. And just taper it down on the back side so it meets the armhole like that. Do the same on the other side. Start cutting away from about there. Try it on Bella again. Yes, sweetheart. You're a good girl. Oh, you're so tolerant, aren't you? Mummy will be really quick. So it's too hot for this at the moment, isn't it? Okay. See how that looks much better now? It's not so much pulling here, but I think I'll still take a tiny bit more off there. We won't have to check it again after this. There you go, baby girl. to start the ribbing. And we'll do the piece along the bottom first. And you decide what width you want for the ribbing. But when you cut it, keep in mind that it'll be turned over like that, folded over, and about that much, about 1/4 of an inch, will be taken up with seam. So that'll be about the width. And you can use the same width on the neck, on the armholes, and on the bottom. So what you do is you take a long continuous piece. For this, just make sure that your bottom is sort of scooped so that when the ribbing goes on it looks neat. And you remember when I told you before that we'd leave an opening? You open up that seam. Take your piece of ribbing, fold it over like that, and leave a bit, go over the edge a little bit, because we're going to cut this off later. So those 2 bits meet there. We'll start our ribbing there. And you don't stretch this a great deal when you sew. Sort of angle it like that, on an angle. Just put that there like that. You don't want it too gathered up along the bottom, so you just do it loosely. I hope you can see the machine there. I don't have to do this again. Okay, start there. What I've done is I've left the wrong side open. It's easier to start from the other side, but never mind. We'll make it work out. This sort of fabric hides a lot of mistakes. It's really good. Little nip seam. Oops.